A very warm welcome from the team at Gradeup. Good evening, all of you. So friends, we are back with a very important session, a very short, a very useful session where we are going to discuss some important daily current affairs. What are those important news that a student who is preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination should know? In this short session, we are going to understand, or rather talk about important news of the day. Important news, not general important news, but legal specific important news, law specific important news, and those important news which are important for a student, to know insofar as their preparation for CLAT and other law entrance examination is concerned. A very good evening to all of you. I'm sure that you guys have already started preparing well for this entrance examination. So without wasting time, let's start. Today the world celebrates UN Peacekeepers Day. Today is the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers, people who devote their life across borders in the international scenario wherever there are conflicts. Like today you have conflicts in various parts of the Middle East, Syria, Iraq, Afghanistan. Till date there are so much of conflict. People who sacrifice their cushioned bed and work for the well-being of these people who are strangled in these conflicted areas. To say a tribute, to pay our hearty tribute to them, we are celebrating amidst lockdown United Nations Peacekeepers Day. The day today is celebrated to pay a homage to those who are in uniformed as well as who are in ununiformed clothes for their loss of their lives to protect or render their service for affected areas. For the year 2020, the theme for this International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers is protecting civilians, protecting peace. It's a very important thing. This year's theme you must definitely know. It is protecting civilians, protecting peace. Up next, a habeas corpus petition, a writ petition in the form of habeas corpus has been filed in the Supreme Court challenging the detention of Saifuddin Soz, a Congress leader in Jammu and Kashmir. A writ petition has been filed in the form of a habeas corpus. So as you know, there are 5 different types of writ petitions. Habeas corpus simply means have the body. Keep this in your mind. Habeas corpus is a writ petition that is filed. Habeas corpus is a writ petition that is filed before the Supreme Court or before the High Court, challenging illegal detention. If someone has been illegally detained, then he or she, through a friend of his, can move the Supreme Court or the High Court challenging the said detention. In this case, Saifuddin Soz's wife has challenged the unlawful detention of the government of Jammu and Kashmir. Saifuddin Soz is under house arrest since the August of 2019, when Article 370 was abrogated by the Union Parliament. The Union Parliament abrogated, the Union Government, the President of India abrogated Article 370. And since then, since that day, Mr. Soz has been arrested. He is put under custody. He has never been informed. He has not been informed of the ground of his detention. Very, very important. The government has not told him why has he been arrested. The petitioner, that is the wife of Saifuddin Soz, says that Soz has been kept under illegal detention for over 10 months, which is nothing but a violation of his right under Article 21 of the Constitution. Article 21 of the Constitution, as you know, provides right to life, right to liberty. The fact that a person has been detained and has been put under house custody means his liberty has been taken away from him. Have I made myself clear? So a writ petition has been filed in the Honorable Supreme Court of India under Article 32 of the Constitution, challenging the unlawful detention of Saifuddin Soz, a Congress leader from Jammu and Kashmir, from the valley. Up next, another very important and a crucial news. NHRC, National Human Rights Commission. The National Human Rights Commission has issued notice to the state of Gujarat, Bihar and Indian Railways over the migrant crisis. India is today faced with migrant labor crisis. A lot of laborers from Bihar, from Uttar Pradesh, from Odisha, from Bengal are stuck in other states. They want to go back to their home, but they cannot go back to their home because of this current lockdown. They are denied food, they are denied shelter, they are denied water. In view of that, the National Human Rights Commission has directed the state of Gujarat, the state of Bihar and the Indian Railways to file detailed report on what are they doing insofar as this migrant crisis is concerned. The chief secretaries of the government of Gujarat and Bihar are directed. The chief secretary of the government of Gujarat, Bihar are directed to file detailed report insofar as medical facility, food, water and shelter provided by those state governments to the migrant laborers. Am I clear, friends? Did you understand? A very, very important and a crucial news. The National Human Rights Commission has issued notice to the state of Gujarat, Bihar and the Indian Railways regarding the migrant crisis that is today happening owing to the COVID-19 pandemic. Up next, another very important information, especially for those of you who are appearing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. The Haryana government has notified that Hindi will be their official language in all courts and tribunals. In Delhi, English is the official language. In Delhi, in most of the parts of India, English is the official language in all courts. The government of Haryana has decided that from now onwards, the official language in all courts, in all tribunals, in the state of Haryana will be Hindi and Hindi alone. That means lawyers who knows English, lawyers who don't know Hindi will face a lot of difficulty in Haryana courts. The government of Haryana has amended the Haryana Official Language Act of 2020. So, the government of Haryana has notified that Hindi will be their official language in all courts and tribunals across the state. A very, very important and a crucial information that all of you need to know. Am I clear, friends? And this change was effectuated by way of an Amendment Act of 2020. And the name of the act is Haryana Official Language Amendment Act 2020. Up next on your screen, friends. Friends, Gradeup is delighted to launch. We have already launched 2 successful batches for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Because of the great response that we have received from students, we have been now forced to open or to launch a new batch 3 of this course, Target Law 2020, a Scoreup course. This course will provide you with 100+ live classes, with new pattern CLAT questions, answers and study material, interactive quizzes, 3000+ practice question, around 14 mocks, not 12, but 14 mocks for SLAT, SLAT, MHCT and CLAT 2020. The mocks will be of CLAT also, SLAT, SLAT, MHCT and CLAT. We are also going to provide you with topic-wise quizzes and PDFs for revision. There will be full coverage of current affairs and legal knowledge. So this will be a short crash course. You guys have 60 more days for this entrance examination, around 2 months. So unless and until you prepare well for this entrance examination, it will be little difficult for you to crack this entrance examination. This entrance examination is not a child's play. This is a national level entrance examination. The questions will be difficult. And henceforth, we at Gradeup are delighted to bring this important course, batch 3. We have already launched batch 1 and batch 2. This will be batch 3 that we have already launched now for 2 days. Do download the Gradeup app. Download the Gradeup app. Download the Gradeup app and start your free trial. And start with your free trial. We are conducting right now demo classes. We are right now conducting demo classes. For any support related queries or course related queries, you can be free to dial us or call us at 96500 Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the session and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And press the bell icon so that you do not miss on any notification. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of our notification. With this, we come to the end of today's class. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Thank you.